Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video.
I just did her lipstick.
I'm Lightning Girl, and this is my friend Natalie. She just did my lipstick for the first one, but then we were interrupted. So now, after the lipstick, she is going to do my eyeshadow.
What color do you want? Blue. The dark blue or the teal?
Teal.
It matches my room.
I know. It's so pretty.
Do you trust me enough to not look at the thing?
Yeah, I have to shut my eyes so my eyes don't get hurt.
Don't open your eyes. No.
I know.
This is such a pretty color. Mm-hmm.
Oh, did you notice the blue streaks in my hair?
Yeah. You excited for Tuesday?
Huh?
You excited for Tuesday? Girl Scouts.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
I was being a klutz and I dropped it. She did very wonderfully on my eyeshadow.
I know.
So now she's going
Sparkles.
to do some sparkle lip gloss.
Sparkles. Made a farty sound.
No, this is going to be posted.
I told you to go like this. Do this. Just do this.
It's very gloppy.
I know. Hang on. Stay like that. Open your mouth. Trust me. Ta-da. Okay.
After the lip gloss,
I don't know. That's lip gloss. And I think we're done. I don't have any mascaras.
when we get to my place, we're going to do mascara and eyeliner.
Now it's for me.
I'll do whatever eyeliner she wants.